Let go of the phone now.
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go of the phone.
Let's step out, please. Thank you.
Can I call my lawyer at least? Like,
Yep, you can do that. Okay. But we're gonna work on that. Okay.
so I have to wait until you guys give me my phone.
On May 25th, 2023, investigators executed a judicially authorized search warrant at a private residence in Illinois. Before entry, officers announced their identity and declared the warrant, satisfying the knock-and-announce doctrine under Wilson v. Arkansas. A valid search warrant authorizes lawful entry by force if necessary. No private instruction from counsel changes that authority.
Let go of the phone now.
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go of the phone.
Okay. It is a disaster. At least they sound like they are okay.
Moving.
I don't know, they sound big.
DeKalb Police! Search warrant! DeKalb Police! Search warrant! He's coming.
Yep, she's coming.
Open the door!
DeKalb Police, open the door! Open the door, I have a search warrant, open the door. Yes. Open the door or I'm gonna break your door. Sure. Okay, man. Anyone else home?
No, it's just me and my dog.
Are your dogs locked up?
Can I please see the warrant,
Yes.
please?
Yep, we'll give you a copy.
What is this?
Is your husband home or your children home?
No, my children are at school.
Here, sure. Here's that. Go and step out. You want to step with my partner over here? They're going to explain everything to you, okay? We have to search it and make sure there's no one else here. So, go out with
I
them.
have to step out?
Yes.
Okay. Can I not get my purse or anything?
You have to go out with them.
Let go of the phone now.
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go.
I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
Let go of the phone.
Let's step out, please. Thank you.
I'll stay with you. Go ahead.
It just...
I'm going to hang out with you, okay?
Can you please explain to me what's going on?
Yep. There's a search warrant for your house, okay? I have an officer that's going to talk to you once we make sure that everything's safe in here, okay? All right? There's no one else home? There's no kids home, anything like that?
No, but...
Is your husband home or is he
No.
working? Okay.
Can I call my lawyer at least? Like,
Yep, you can do that. Okay. But we're going to work on that, okay?
so I have to wait until you guys give me my phone.
Yes. There's a search
That's my
warrant
lawyer.
signed by a judge that says that we will be searching your house. Okay.
Max, you got upstairs?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
I'm going to go right.
Watch that deep corner. I don't know if it's
My lawyer said I shouldn't open the door or do anything or tell you guys to contact them first. So
I
that's not
understand. If you didn't open the door, I would have broke it down already. Okay? So you're doing what you're supposed to be doing. Okay? I've got a search warrant signed by a judge. It's not like I asked to come in. I got an order to come in by the judge.
Okay.
Okay.
That's the garage on the right. Yeah, I'll hold it.
I'm going legal. See him both.
Clear.
Are there any weapons in the home or anything like that?
Yeah, my husband has
They're
concealed
locked
and
up?
carry.
Yeah, they're locked up though.
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
And he's not here.
No.
Okay.
Pantry, it's clear.
Can I at least call someone to get my kids though from school? Like, this is delaying the process if I can't call them and at least say
When
that.
do they get off school?
My kid gets out of school at 12.
Okay. We got a little bit of time for that, but I will let you make phone calls for that. Okay. It's 9:30.
But if he's out on a truck run, why can't I call him and just tell him get back here now? I don't have anyone in DeKalb else to pick up my kid.
Okay. We'll let you make that call. Okay. Just not at this moment. Okay. We got to make sure the house is safe, everyone's safe, and then we'll start having conversation. Okay.
Go ahead. Yo, police, search warrant. Clear.
There's like a door over here on the right.
I'm checking this door behind you.
You gotta go around.
Take your time, guys. No rush.
Yeah, there's deep corner to the right. Turning.
Go back here. You got that corner?
Yep.
Check that door.
Am I under arrest or something?
At the moment, no.
I'm not understanding why I can't call my husband just to tell him to head back this way then.
Nope. I understand you don't have a phone on you right now, though, so you can't call your husband.
I do have another phone I can use though. Or I
That's
can
also
pay.
part of the search.
My tablet's part of it too?
You guys clear?
We're almost about 15 seconds. We'll be done.
Alright, clear.
We checked that, right, bud?
Alright, yep.
All right. We're coming up.
Alright. All open up here.
We got a lot of them.
Master bedroom straight. Stair to the left.
I'm with you. I'm gonna take left.
Alright, what's going
I got it right there.
Hey, Lickle, she says he's out on a run right now, so no one should be home.
You guys next person.
I swear no one is here but me and my dogs.
That's okay. They got to check, though. I appreciate you.
I
do.
swear.
I know.
Closet.
Closet. Good.
Clear. Clear here.
Coming.
Clear.
There's a lot of stuff. You guys good then?
Good. Almost last room. You guys get this one? Yes. Okay.
Alright.
Clear.
While you guys are here, check secondaries.
Secondary. Good.
Good. We get under the bed.
Good to clear the channel?
Sorry?
Are you good for me to clear the channel?
Yes.
Okay, Sam 7. We're secure. You can clear fireplace.
Why do they want my text messages?
For the offense that's listed in the warrant.
You said the offense. Can you explain that? What does that mean?
Yep. You got a lot of questions. There's another detective that's going to have those answers for you, okay?
Okay.
I'll get him for you once he's done doing what he's doing inside. How long you lived here?
3 years now.
Okay.
Going on 4.
How many dogs do you have?
6. 2 I'm babysitting and 4 are mine.
Alright, so this is Detective Lickle. We've got a lot of questions. He's got the information for you. Okay. So,
Patient, if you would please just let's go ahead and slip down the swing.
Why can't we stand? I would like to stay closer to my house if that's possible.
Well, at this point in time, unfortunately, I'm gonna have to come down to the station with me. Okay?
For what?
Huh? As right now, you're in custody.
First constitutional flashpoint. Officers seized the subject's phone while she was actively speaking with her attorney. While devices were listed in the warrant, interrupting live attorney-client communication raises a Sixth Amendment concern courts have scrutinized in Illinois. However, at the moment of seizure, no formal arrest had been made. Pre-arrest detention under a search warrant does not automatically trigger full Sixth Amendment protections. After entry, officers conducted a room-by-room protective sweep. Maryland v. Bui authorizes this, but strictly limits its scope to officer safety, not evidence gathering. Second constitutional flashpoint, formal arrest was declared, without a documented Miranda advisement captured on camera. Any statements the subject made between the moment of arrest and a documented warning are vulnerable to suppression at trial under Miranda v. Arizona. Under Edwards v. Arizona, once a suspect invokes the right to counsel, law enforcement must cease interrogation immediately, no exceptions. The subject invoked her right to an attorney multiple times on camera. Investigators appropriately deferred all substantive questioning to the police department.
You're under arrest for theft as of right now, okay?
So I'm being charged?
As of right now, yes.
Okay, so when can I call my husband
I'll let you, as soon as we get down
and my
there.
lawyer?
I know you have a lot of questions, and I want to be as accommodating as possible, okay? So as soon as we get down there, we'll sit down, we'll have a talk, and when everything's situated, and like I said, I can answer questions for you, and I'll let you make what phone calls you need to, okay?
So who's all under arrest? Who's all under arrest? Who are you charging?
As of right now, you're the only one here, so as of right now, you're the only one that's being charged.
Who else would be charged? My husband would be charged?
I don't, at this point in time, I'm just concerned about talking to you, okay?
You said you would answer more of my questions.
He will. We've got to do this part first. We will talk to you more at the police department. So for now, put your hands behind your back.
So when can I make my phone call? Because my kids get out at 12.
Can you step forward, please? Thank you.
Pull your sleeve up a little bit and your hair out of the way so we don't get stuck in there, okay?
I know you get a lot of questions, and I want to provide the answers for you, but then again, I just don't want to sit here and air out laundry in front of, the entire neighborhood.
I just want to know, most importantly, I would like to call my husband so he can get the kids. Is my husband under arrest? Are you guys trying to get him too?
As of right now, that's one of our first priorities is, getting a hold of the husband, make sure the kids are okay. So, we're going to try.
But are you telling me the truth, or are you just saying it? Because
Passion.
I don't even know what I'm being. Okay. Who's charging me?
All right. Passion, I'm being upfront and honest. I've been doing this for almost 19 years.
Okay.
I'm not trying to bamboozle you or anything like that, okay?
It doesn't even say who's charging me. It doesn't even say who's charging me.
We'll DeKalb Police Department.
Yep. We'll talk about charges and whatnot when we get down there. Like I said, I'm not trying to bamboozle you. We'll try to get hold of your husband, try to make arrangements for the kids and whatnot, and get it all situated. Okay. Sorry, it's not the most comfortable, but I'll get you out of those ASAP, okay? They're boxes? Oh, they're just clearing stuff out. It says clearing stuff out of the van. It says part of the search warrant, which items were listed here. Obviously, you got your copy. It's right here. You can, when we get down to the PD, I'll let you look back over it again, okay? How long's your what?
How long is my stuff going to be gone?
How long's your stuff going to be gone for?
Yes.
It's part of the investigation. 100% honesty. I don't know, because if whatever's collected will be collected as evidence, and then it's got to go through, whether you take it to court, whether you take it to court, whether you're found guilty or you're found innocent, whatever, and then he says if everything works out, when you're found innocent or innocent or charges are dismissed, that property will be returned to you. Okay?
But they're going to have it until then.
As right now, yes.
This wasn't improvised. Let's examine what the law authorizes and what it doesn't. Google search history recovered from the subject's phone revealed queries including: how much time do you get for money laundering? How much time for fraud? Class 1 felony Illinois sentence, and how to prove you did not misappropriate funds. Under Illinois evidentiary standards, this constitutes consciousness of guilt fully admissible. The subject was charged with theft over $1 million and misappropriation of financial institution property, both Class X felonies carrying 6 to 30 years. Continuing, financial crimes enterprise class, 1 felony and 3 counts. Of forgery, Class 3 felony completed the charge sheet. Bond was set at $500,000. The subject pleaded not guilty. The case remained active as of early 2025. The lead detective receives a B+. The warrant was properly obtained, and the execution was conducted within constitutional boundaries. Points deducted for the absence of on-camera Miranda documentation at the moment of arrest and the legally exposed handling of active attorney-client communication during phone seizure. The subject receives a B. She sought counsel immediately, made no incriminating admissions, on camera, and did not physically resist. However, her own Google searches constructed the prosecution's case more effectively than any interrogation could have. The investigating department receives an A- for a disciplined, evidence-driven, 6-year investigation executed cleanly under judicial oversight. The deduction reflects systemic gaps in Miranda documentation protocol and the absence of clear policy governing privileged communications during warrant execution. Lessons from this case for individuals. Your digital footprint is physical evidence. Search history, purchase records, and communications are discoverable and fully admissible at trial. Invoking your right to counsel the moment law enforcement makes contact is always the correct response. Delay serves no legal benefit. Complying with a lawful search warrant is not an admission of guilt. Resistance creates additional criminal exposure with zero legal upside. For employers, this scheme ran undetected for 6 years because a single employee held unchecked access to payroll systems, banking credentials, and financial records simultaneously. Segregation of duties requiring 2 authorized individuals for high-value transactions is the single most effective internal control against this category of fraud. For law enforcement, Miranda warnings must be documented on camera at the moment of arrest. Assuming it happened off camera is a suppression motion waiting to be filed. Policies governing the seizure of devices during active privileged communications require explicit guidance. This gap creates reversible error at the appellate level. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.